Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries fire sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Aries, what are the messages for you? I think you are undergoing some spiritual awakening, major transformation, and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. So you want to focus on yourself. You are very defensive. Seven of Wands. I think you don't want to easily give up on anything because you are very passionate about what you are doing right now. Aries, Seven of Wands energy. So let's see your reading recent past. Eight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and Seven of Swords. So your person is sneaky, playing games with you, and maybe your person have options. Keep their options open. For some it could be third party situation also, but you started focusing on your career and finances because Eight of Pentacles to Nine of Pentacles. In recent past you started focusing on your career. Yeah, you are doing hard work for your to achieve your goals, and you will, because Eight of Pentacles to Nine of Pentacles. For some you already achieved, for some if not you are going to be, because Nine of Pentacles energy is here. Definitely you will achieve financial stability. Then present Four of Wands, Ten of Wands, and Page of Pentacles. Yeah, you only the person taking care of this relationship. There is no equal give and take. There is no commitment because Seven of Swords is here. This person playing games with you, wearing mask. You want this happiness from this person, but it is not happening. You are the only person feeling overburdened in this connection. You are fed up with this energy. And Page of Pentacles, some message, text is coming, and maybe apology. Your person is immature for some, and children's also involved for some. Future Queen of Cups, Seven of Cups, and Five of Swords. You are very emotional and very caring and giving person, Aries. Still you have emotions for this person, and you are confused because they are always giving false hope, but they saying one thing but doing another thing. There is no match between saying and doing things. So actions and words, there is no match. So they always giving you false hope. There is backstabbing, cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there is something happening between you and your person. Five of Swords energy. So Seven of Cups. Still you have emotions for them because you are very emotional person, Aries. One person in this connection for sure having options. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth sign. But a lot of earth energy, fire and water energy is here. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Four of Cups under the deck. Maybe they're feeling missed opportunity with you because right now you are not giving any attention to them. Yeah, you have emotions for them, but you are not showing. Aries, let's see your person feelings towards you. See, Seven of Swords. Yeah, I think this person playing games with you, player type energy, when they want they will come, when they want they will go, that type of energy. They're spying on you, they're wondering about you a lot. But King of Cups is here. Maybe they know they hurt you in past, but now they want to offer their love to you. But again, maybe this is a playing game with you. Be careful, because Seven of Swords is very sneaky energy, and they're wondering about you, spying about you a lot. And Three of Cups, for some, for sure there could be third party situation involved, but they want reconciliation with you. So let's see their actions. See, Princess of Cups, they want to say apology to you, Aries. Ace of Swords, communication with clarity. Yeah, maybe they now realizing you are their soulmate, you are their happiness. That's why they want to coming back with, they hurt you in past but now wanting you back, simply message. And Princess of Cups and Ace of Swords, they want to express their true feelings to you, because they realize that you are their soulmate. This is a mutual love. Still you also have feelings for this person. Now once you gone, they started realizing your worth, Aries. And the person involved in this connection could be Lord of Air Energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they're in so much pain without you, but they still want rebirth in this connection. And your person is very passionate about you still. Knight of Wands and King of Wands. They're still attracted to you and they're very passionate about you. What about you? But you are focusing on yourself, Aries. And Knight of Cups, yeah, they're coming back. See, yeah. For some, there will be reunion between you and your person. Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment. Definitely for some, there is future for this connection. This connection has potential. Yeah, maybe your person in past, they hurt you, but now they're coming back. For some, your person may be really changing for you. For some, it may be fake. So you know your situation well, because Seven of Swords 2 times came in this reading. But one person is very sneaky in this connection. If they're coming back, if they truly changed, then it is okay. If there is no third party situation, yeah, because there is ending between both of you, but there is some transformation. For some, there will be new beginning between both of you. Ace of Pentacles. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Aries. I think it's up to you, because they are coming back. Decision is in your hands. See, they are obsessed with you. Maybe you are obsessed with them. You stand by your power. Now you are very, very grounded. Maybe for some, you decided to move on from this person. For some, yeah. For some, if you let them in, they will come back. Otherwise, they don't. So let's see your person overall energy for the month, Aries. Yeah, they are taking the steps towards you, but it is slow moving energy. They really want to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles, they want reconciliation with you, and Judgment, they are going to be make a decision regarding this connection. And Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Past person return. I feel so alone. Age difference. Yeah, for some there will be age difference between both of you. Decision time. Yes, because your person going to be make. I am serious about you and please wait for me. So the messages are, they are serious about you. Past person return and they feel so alone. Age difference and decision time. So let's pull some message for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aries. What are the messages for Aries? Two cards. the answers you need are coming full moon in Gemini. So if you are searching for answers for your questions, definitely the answers you need are coming. This is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.